Hello everyone, please do subscribe to my channel and I hope you like the video.
Hey everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to do a magic e-concept, an activity that you can do in the summer vacation with the kids using different words. Let's start. It's a tissue paper. Let's dip this tissue paper inside the bucket full of water. This is matter. And once magic E will come, let the magic E do her magic on mat. Let's begin. And this gets converted into maid. The magic E did her magic on the alphabet A and made it A. So this is maid. Happy learning.
So here are the kids performing the same activity. Let's begin and see them happy and enjoying the activity.
Hi everyone, now it is blood, but now it will be blade.
Oh, magic.
Hello everyone. This is made mad, but now this is made.
All the magic.
Hi everyone, this is snack, but now it will be snake.
Very good.
Please do show love and share this video as much as you can.